How to use AXA Life Insurance Ireland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AXA Life Insurance Ireland can provide financial security for your family, but many policyholders make simple mistakes that undermine its value. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Owning a policy is not enough. You need to use it properly. One common mistake is selecting the wrong type of coverage. AXA offers term life insurance for temporary needs and whole-of-life policies that last your entire life and can accumulate cash value. Choosing incorrectly can either leave your loved ones underprotected or cost you more than necessary. Another frequent error is underestimating how much coverage is needed. Life insurance should cover your mortgage, outstanding debts, everyday living costs and future expenses like children's education. Without careful planning, your family might struggle financially if the unexpected happens. Many people forget to regularly update beneficiaries. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child require revisiting your policy. Ignoring this can delay claims or create disputes over who receives the payout. Optional add-ons or riders are often overlooked. AXA offers benefits like critical illness cover, disability cover, or accident protection. These can provide crucial support if you face unexpected events, giving your family a safety net beyond the standard payout. Finally, misunderstanding the features of permanent policies, such as cash value growth and loan access, is a common pitfall. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you understand your premiums, growth potential, and any tax considerations. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize the value of AXA Life Insurance Ireland. Choose the right type of coverage, maintain sufficient protection, update beneficiaries, consider optional riders, and stay informed about your policy. Taking these steps ensures your insurance truly safeguards your family's financial future.